After all development is done in the solution and the work has been checked in, you can run a build on your project and create a software deployable package that you can then use to apply this code to another environment so you can test the code out further. So we have our project here. I'm just going to right click and hit build. And this build is going to save our work before, if you haven't already. It's going to run some best practice checks. And it's also going to build our code and make sure that it compiles. So this might take just a little bit. So our build is completed, and now we're ready to make a deployable package. So we're going to go to the Extensions tab at the top. We're going to go to Dynamics 365. We're going to go to Deploy, and we're going to select Create Deployment Package. So here we can select our packages, and we can run an app checker if we'd like to check further for more packages. We can then select our file location where we want this package to go once it's created. I'm just going to stick with the desktop over here. So we hit OK. And then we hit create. So this will take just a second. So now our package has been created, as we can see in the message below here. And we'll also see some output about that package creation in the output window. So we can hit close. And if we go to our desktop, we see our deployable packages there.